Don't go down. Don't go down. Bye-bye! Good morning! Good morning! Welcome back to my channel. Wala pa po kaming energy. It's 6 o'clock and we are gonna go on a field trip! Kasi yung mga bus natin. Anong baon mo?
Wala nga, nakalimutan ni Mama yung
Ano ba yan? Madami kong cake. Hello, vlogger. Hello, vlogger. We're not together. Umiyak. Naghiwalay kami nila teacher. So, yun nga guys. Di pa rin ako nakapag-proper introduction. Today is the official day that the vlogger season has been made. Kaya kung magkahiwalay kami ng bus, we're gonna go to LU. Pag-aaway-awayin kasi kami. Pag-iwalay daw kami ng team. Anyway, bili muna tayong kape kasi wala pa kaming energy. Wala pang energy na lagay na doon. Madali sakay ka. Go! Visit ka. Hi! You say hi to the vlog.
Hi, you're going on a retreat. We
Retreat?
are grade 6. We are going to the Tagaytay Retreat House.
Oh, di ba? Sabi namin hiwalay siya. Oh, I'm here!
Nagawa namin ng paraan, paiyak na ako.
Hindi nagpaiwan sa kabilang bus. Kasi naman Team Crocs is here. Crocs. Yay! Field trip. We have our boarding pass. Huh? What? And breakfast. Let's go!
Settling in, settling down. Falling in love, not falling out. I keep on falling in. Each of us both done in the crown. A crown, a crown, a crown. A king and a queen royally bound. Yeah. Both called it from the beginning. Called it. Knew that the right to be nice. Knew that the right to be us. We do what we gotta do to stay winning, winning.
Welcome to Cabana 2! My roomies for today's video is Keisha pa din. And Roselle! Ang laki na room namin. Pag-topic ko. Tapos ginalawagad namin yung bed, pinagtabi namin. Wala din namang sense kasi may butas pa. I need Don the Builder. Tapos dito, dance floor namin kasi competitive kami. Baka kailangan namin mag-practice. Nakapasok na ba kayo sa banyo? Ayun, laki din ang banyo. Pwede din magpang-topic ko dito, Bebs. Banyo tour. Ang laki, oh. May likuan. Let's collaborate. Uy, may collaboration dito. Gusto mo? Collaboration. This is our loot bag. It has sleeves, tumbler, bucket hat, pamaypay, and this cute rattan bag. Today is a chill day lang daw. Bukas daw buong araw bardagulan, I think. Anyway, ano nga ba yung vlogger season? In-explain na pala nila. Ito yung first episode. First episode. Kasi di ba may Vlogga Fest every year na sineselebrate sa Manila. Tapos yung mga taga-province na Vlogga fam, lumilipad going to Manila. So ginawa na nila parang pupunta na sa mga provinces. Vlogga na ang dadayo. So first stop is LU. That's why we are here. It's Alamorc. Okay, so talk to you later, guys. Hi! Ayan na, sinusundo na tayo. Okay. It's now 4:29. 1 minute to go. Nag-rest lang kami the whole time. Wow! Ang ganda. Ang ganda naman ni Verb. Ay, may ganun.
Sabay tayo, dali.
Dito lang.
Nakabahan ako.
Ano ka?
Yellow!
Blue. Kailangan kakampi sa amin.
Sorry, Keisha.
Ang dami ng team red. Eto, yellow si Ate
blue
Kuko. Red! Uy, halika na, may halo-halo. Ate Kuko yung camera mo. Yellow! 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 Pili ko mahulog ako sa hagdan. Halika na nga. Yellow! Red! sa vlog. Ganda. Ganda. Yellow, yellow. Ah! Excuse me? Bakit alas?
Sinokit si Miss Ace.
Mag-bowling ka na lang dyan. Team Red. Wow! Oh my God, palito!
Taray naman na merienda na.
Oo nga.
Ano to?
Ano yan, verb? Wa? Ano yan? Kanin? Anong ente mo?
May queso. I just
Oh, nagagatsi si ate, mali-mali. Pero information ka. Hoy, kumain na kayo. Tunaw na, tunaw na. Ikaw, Vice President.
Ikaw, president ako, vice president. Tapos,
Ng Fest Talker.
tayo ay pananalo kasi masama ugali na.
Dadaanin natin sa...
Trash talk at sama ng ugali at pananakit.
Ano ba? Talaga? Hoy!
Nothing like your smile in the morning. Following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring. So I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side. Shining through the cracks like the first morning light. Feeling like a child through the days and the nights. Living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, oh, oh. Easier to love, oh, oh. There's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away.
Good morning, guys. It's 8:02 and walang tubig. Yun mo na sinabi. Walang tubig. Nang problema kami. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kagabi. Ano ba huling kong binlog? Yung games? Hindi ko alam. Nag-games. Tapos pagkatapos ng games, pagod na kami lahat. Magkakalaban. Ewan ko, nakita niyo nga pala yun. Nag-swimming kasi kami after the games. Tapos dinner. And then, tulog na. Tulog na kami. Rest na. Kasi today, Olympics Kinemberlu. Kaya we have to be well rested yesterday. Kaso grabe, bumabagyo ng bongga kagabi. Tapos may ulan din ngayon, no, Vebs? Wala na. Wala na. 2 o'clock pa. Sana makapag-vlog ako kasi sure ako masaya yun. Kaso lang, baka magulo yung buhay niyo dyan. Sana may pwesto ko to dahil as a team leader, I'm very competitive. Baka makalimutan ko kayo. I'll try my best makapag-vlog. So yeah, ngayon, dahil walang tubig, kakain muna kami. Let's go to breakfast. Ready na yung pool sa Bardagulan. Hello, Team Yellow na dumadami. Paki-present kayo sa inyo dyan.
Kami aesthetic.
Yellow tea for the win! Sponsored by Gardenia!
Sometimes you're physically bound down, but mentally gone 10 years ahead. You dream of something you don't really want, and when you return, everyone has moved on. Follow tradition, you do this and that.
Good morning peoples! Good morning, Verb! Ano problema mo?
Maliligo.
Walang maliligo. Oo, laban na. Bakit?
Ipagtanggol mo yung karapatan ng
Ay,
mga
kailangan
maliligo.
yan.
Baligtad.
Eh, hindi ako mahilig maligo eh. Yung mukha niya! Yung mukha niya!
Go. Oh, how you lying to yourself.
Let's go, Yellow! May jagat pala.
Gawin mo lang. Let's go, yellow. Ay, ngay!
Salunok. Late naman, late.
Late naman yung mga yellow.
Ayan. Ganda-gandahan na talaga. Ay! Nakakatawa. Ay, dito pala tayo. Yellow! Yellow! Hello?
Hear me out. I see you scheming at me, boy, you got a plan. But you can't break me, I'm my own number one fan. That constant push and pull, don't you know that's my fuel? I'm coming in with the fire that's so unstoppable. I'm taking all off, 'cause I'm all I got. And when I'm in my head, I lift it up instead. We gotta beat the game. Where my girls at tonight? Learning to trust ourselves, 'cause we are schooling life. We gotta beat the game.
Okay, first game, Scavenger Hunt! Oh my God! Ron!
Hello, team leader of Yellow.
What are the plans tonight, Slut? Bitch, we're going out. Going where? It's a Hira's house.
I could say I told you so. You made it up in your head. And when you tell me that it's not enough, let me slip you my address. You know I think you're cute, baby, lure for me. I'll make you part of something new with the who's who. I'll hit your body with that glitter covered bedroom. Leave the rest for you to guess. All that I want, and yet I want more. Baby, don't stop, just set a new course. When it gets hard, you know I'm all yours.
Okay, time check. It is 2:51. And kakaahon lang namin from the beach. Chismisan in the beach. And now we're just having iced coffee with outside. Outside, baka naman.
Ako mababay kasi. Mataas ko.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Outside! Ay, sino magpasa? 1, 2, 3, go. Outside! Hindi kaya naman. The aunties is having coffee and tinapay. We made our own iced coffee. Tapos ito yung merch na binigay sa amin ng Bulaga. Cheers! Cheers mga kumare! Yeah.
Singing, I love you. I love you better today than yesterday. Every day is gonna play out the same. I love you better today than yesterday. It's gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same.
Okay, time check. It's ready for Bardagulan round 2. Nakakapagod pose. Sa early bird na lang bumabawi, oh. Team Red. Boo! Kami pa yatang games. My God, pag-oran levels na talaga. Saan ba yung yellow team over there? Hey, we won! We won! Oh my God, Kevin!
Son, you're the best!
Team Yellow! Wala energy. Yellow! 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 Yellow!
So when your mind changes, don't come trying to find it. Run like you.
7:30 yata. Dinner time! And we are all wearing white! Yan! Cute! Pipila na po sa rasyon. Please cancel this, guys. Ate ko siya on Instagram. Everybody, kung pina-follow nyo man to, paki-unfollow na.
My favorites, paki-like.
Wala kasi kayong makukuha ang matinong.
Paki-share to your friends because my content is the content.
The last activity of the day is a bonfire sponsored by Primero Light Brandil.
Mahiwagang salamin. Bala ka dyan.
Mga lasinggero, lasinggera.
Primero Light Brandil.
Yummer!
Suabe.
Suabe sa iyong...
Paningin. Ay, tama ba yun? Suabe pa.
Salamat, spree lang.
Salamat spree. Hashtag salamat spree. Ayan na.
But a grip of your
Nung kayo doon, sumali kayo doon.
Oh, in my world, ano ba itong nadarama? Oh, shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na?
Go!
Yo, magula na makita ka. Oh, may leveling.
Si OA! Alay! Ay, pa ako!
Oh!
Hey! Cheers!
Yes!
Nabawasan ng bini.
Wala yung isang bini.
Nag-cheers.
Napagod si Bini Maloy.
Cheers! Cheers! Cheers!
Cheers! Thank you, Primera.
Yes! Ah, may sagili.
Ay, ako na nakataas.
Cute! Oh, pak.
Ay, ang OA.
Ay, nagpapalo ka!
May ganyan.
Habang naglalabas yung video.
May water pa, may water. Moment mo to. Ay!
Wala pang chorus.
Wala pa.
Wala pa, be.
Base card. So. Oh. And... Oh, Thailand.
Hala, Thailand.
Go, Queen.
Basta ba?
Ayun na.
Oh, hi, people. Oh, sige. Oh. Good morning, it's our last day on Earth. Ito siya lang po nagsabi universe, ha? Kagabi, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog because tumakas kami sa kaganapan. Itong tatlong titas, yung mga rubies ko, as the titas of this trip. May mga mamis naman mas tita sa amin, pero kami talaga yung tumakas. Tumakas kami and then we just went to the Circle of Dreams. Sila kasi naggawa ng mga circle na nag-inuman sila and all. So, feeling namin, mga puyat sila at wala ng tao. Sabi pa ni Kay, yan mo late tayo sa breakfast, wala yung mga yan. Pagdating namin, late din kami. Mga nag-swimming na, nagpo-photoshoot na, mga naka-outfit na, ano ba yan, nangyayari? Ano ginagawa natin? Today's ganap is wala na, ito lang, breakfast, may photoshoot daw. Uwi na later. So, yun lang, kain tayo. Cheers. Daming freebies! It's check-out time. It's ice cream time.
Hello, good morning po sa inyong lahat.
Tanghali na.
Mga kumares, kukurika po, and
Di bago na tayo,
mga kulugu.
Lagi lang siya.
The hair is for me bagong niligo, so 30 pieces.
Siguro today, mga 47.
47.
Ilan sa'yo ngayon?
27 million.
Ano bawasan kasi kahapon 39 ka?
Oo, kasi nung pag-supply ko.
Ano kita ko sa banyo yung 1 billion?
27 10 million na lang, tapos 1 billion mo pala bobo. Basta something.
Relief operation para sa mga nasalanta ng Vlogalim.
Gagalipin.
Yung mga natusok yung ilong, muntik na mapugutan ng ulo,
Matatanggal ng veneers.
matatanggal ng veneers. Lahat na.
I wish I was somebody else. It's obvious that I don't like myself. If I could die in my sleep, don't cry, my friends. There's no such thing as hell. Ooh, oh, oh, oh. Yeah, there's no fairy tale. Ooh, oh, oh, oh. Growing up, Peter Pan taught me to fly. Yeah, the welcome fits me with lies. It's all so crazy. Everybody wanna be famous. There's so much life through these walls. My mind has been through it all. I don't wanna care no more. I don't wanna care no more. I wish I was somebody else. It's obvious that I don't like myself. If I could die in my sleep, don't cry, my friends. There's no such thing as hell. Ooh, oh, oh, oh. Yeah, there's no fairy tale. Ooh, oh, oh, oh. No hell, no hell. There's no fairy tale. No hell, no hell. There's no fairy tale. When you feel all the colors in the skies, you'll be alright. It's the biggest.
Drum roll, please. So our second place is going to take home an old side leather kit filled with blue products. And our first place winner will get a Face Republic PR kit and their very highly acclaimed Sika Soothing Gel for face and body. Now the moment we've all been waiting for. Who is the winner? Is it the blue team or the yellow team? These two had it out for each other since the moment their teams were announced. Security, basta medic, pa-standby in case someone gets strangled. Our grand champion of the first ever beach tournament of Vlogga Seasons is... Drum roll please, guys! Yeah!
Congratulations.
Congrats!
Congratulations, blue team!
Oh my God, I'm finally home. Nakalimutan ko i-end yung vlog. Alam mo, naalala ko lang na nagbablog ako nung naliligo na ako. Napakagulo kasi ng mga pangyayari. Hindi ko na naman maalala ko na yung last na footage, pero parang yung mga awarding pa. So I think nakita niyo naman na the yellow team won. And I also got the Fiercest Leader Award. Congratulations to Yellow Team. And congratulations to Vlogga for the successful Vlogga Seasons Leg 1. Super saya, super nakakapagod. It was an amazing weekend. Akala ko, hindi ko survive. Akala ko, like, sobrang nakakapagod. Pero buti na lang din, ang kasama ko si Kay tsaka si Rosel sa room. Iisa yung goal namin. Pagkatapos na magpapahinga na, hindi na makikipag-bardagulan. Kaya nakaka-rest kami sa gabi. Lahat ng mga umuwi, wala nang boses kanina. Buti na lang may throat spray ako. Kaya lahat nakinabang sa throat spray ko. But yeah, I'm ending the vlog here. Just wanna say congratulations to Vloggapalooza for this very successful event. Galing nyo, Vlogga team. Ang galing ng Try Them. Kasi sila yung kakulab. Sila yung nag-organize ng event. Dami namin naging new friends. Ang daming sponsors. Ano pala na-vlog ko kanina nung pinicturean ko kasi yung lahat ng inuwi ko. Hirap na hirap kami lahat umuwi. Kasi ang dami namin biglang lahat dala. Kasi ang daming giveaways. Tapos yung mga prizes pa namin. So, napakadami. Isang buong pangkabuhayan grocery package yung inuwi namin. Special shout out to Saving the Daigdig Project kasi meron din silang pinadalang special loot for me, makeup, t-shirt, and another pair of shades. So, Lorena pala, yung resort kung saan naganap ang very first leg of vlog season. Ilalagay ko na lang lahat dito sa screen, yung mga logos ng lahat ng mga sponsors na very generous to us. Thank you again so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope maganda yung mga footage na nakuha ko. And I will see you on my next vlog. So, na magpahinga dahil pagod na pagod ang katawang lupa ng tita nyo. Good night. Bye!